Welcome, today I am with OPPO A16 and I'm going to show you a couple camera tricks. At the first, we are going to start from the standard modes. So when we are in the photo mode, we can quickly increase or decrease brightness level. Take a look. You have to tap on the screen and then move this icon like that. You can also make it automatically by tapping on the screen. And the same option works in the video mode. Take a look. So we have to just keep swiping like that. We can also use filters to change color and the temperature. So we have to tap right here. We can find here 15 presets, and we can also switch for the video mode. And in the video mode, we can find 10 presets. So we can also apply them by using the video mode. Right now we are going for the settings, where we can find the volume button function. Currently is set up on the shutter. So when I'm gonna click volume up or down button, I'm gonna take photo. But you can also change to the zoom option and take a look how great it works right now. You have to press volume up key and you can zoom in or zoom out. For me, it's better than pinching screen like that with 2 fingers. Another option that we can use is the fingerprint shotting. So when you enable this option, you can wait a minute. Okay, never mind. I just thought that the fingerprint and the smartphone is at the back, but it's right here at the edge, on the right edge. So you can just simply touch the sensor and you can take photo. So it will be useful when you hold your phone, for example, like that. And you cannot reach this bottom shutter when you have small hands. But we can find also another option in the shotting methods, like tap to capture. So right now we can also click on the screen 2 times and the photo will be taken. And another option will be also in the shotting methods is show palm. So right now when you switch the selfie camera and show the palm of your hand, take a look. Okay, it looks like it's not working. Maybe I'm gonna switch for the rear camera. Okay, never mind. Unfortunately, this option is not working in my phone. Maybe it's some kind of debug. You can tell me in the comment how it works in your case. And another option, I mean that will be the last option, it's the composition. You can enable the grid lines and the leveler on the video and the photo mode to help us to take better composition on the photos. So as you can see right now, we can find this help grid lines on the screen and also the camera leveler. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.